Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about one of the new launches of CrafTangles, which is CrafTangles Crackle Paste Translucent. So here I am just showing you some demo of trying out our clear texture paste and CrafTangles translucent crackle paste side by side. Now these work beautifully on surfaces like MDF, canvases, papers, etc. They will not work well on smooth surfaces like glass, metal, plastic, etc. If you want to apply on those, you will have to first sand them properly to make sure that the surface is coarse enough for the paste to stick to them. Now especially I want to show you the difference on a translucent paste as compared to a regular paste on a black cardstock, because here is where you will see the most difference. As you can see, this paste is comparatively thinner as compared to our white texture paste, etc. because of the nature of the paste. However, they work beautifully through stencils as shown here. Now this is one part of the demo, and next is where I'll be showing you mixing these paste with different mediums, just to show you how the crackle still forms by combining them with different mediums like liquid acrylics, liquid watercolors, etc. So here the first demo is where I'm combining them with some liquid watercolors. These are CrafTangles liquid watercolors, and the color that I'm using is Lemon Tart. Now in each and every swatch card I will also apply the color directly, so that you can see if there is any difference between how the color is applied directly and how it looks once it is passed through the paste. In each and every one of these demos I will be combining it with a little bit of the crackle texture paste and then pass it through stencils, just to show you how beautifully it also passes through the stencil. We highly recommend that you let this paste dry naturally rather than applying any heat tool onto it. Depending on how thick or how thin you apply your paste, it normally takes somewhere between 2 hours to 4 to 5 hours for the paste to dry. One more thing you will notice is that when I applied the paste directly, it does look milky or white in nature, but once it dries, it will dry translucent or semi-clear. The translucency you will see is on a darker medium like a dark colored cardstock like black, browns, etc. For normal regular shades like pastels, whites, even the bright shades where you mix them with these colors, you will hardly see any difference. All the samples that I'm creating right now, I will be showing you how they dried at the end of the video, so do stick with us. Now for the second sample, I have combined these translucent paste with CrafTangles chalk paint, and the color that I had used was ruby red. And now for the third one, I have combined these with our liquid acrylics, and the color that I have used is phthalo green. Now our liquid acrylics mimic the look of liquid watercolors, and that is why they dry transparent as compared to your normal acrylic paints that you get in market. So here you will see that once it is combined with the translucent crackle paste, it will still give you that bright, shiny, glossy, translucent effect as compared to an opaque effect which you will get with mica powder and chalk paint. Now the last one is with our resin pigments or mica powder. And here the first sample that I showed you was applying the sapphire or blue mica powder with some water on top of the swatch card, just to compare the shade differences, and then here I have combined it with the paste to show you the difference. I have let this dry overnight, and here I am showing you all the different crackle effect that has come onto the samples. All the mediums have combined beautifully with the crackle paste to give the cracks as shown in the swatches. Here I am also showing you it directly applied on MDF, on a decoupage napkin, and a white primed MDF. This is on the colored cardstock that we tried at the start. So on the black you can see the clear difference between the translucent and clear. I hope this video was informative to you.